Welcome back to your German A1 learning journey. Imagine you meet someone new in Germany. What is the first thing you usually say? Most likely you ask, "How are you?" In this lesson, you will learn how to ask and answer, "How are you?" in German, in both informal and formal ways. Before we begin, remember to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. If you missed our earlier videos on introductions, grammar, or vocabulary, check the links in the description below. Let us begin with how to ask, "How are you?" in German. Part 1. How to ask how are you? Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es Ihnen? Let us begin with how to greet someone and ask how they are in a casual situation. When you see a friend or someone your own age, you can simply say, "Hallo, wie geht es dir?" This means, "Hello, how are you?" The word dir is informal. You use it when speaking to friends, classmates, children, or family members. Here's a short conversation. Hallo, wie geht es dir? Mir geht es gut, danke. Und dir? Auch gut, danke. Let us break this down. Means, hallo, how are you? Is a friendly hello. Mir geht es gut means, I am doing well. Und dir means and you. It is simple and friendly. You can use this when you meet friends in school, in your neighborhood, or at a cafe. Now let us look at the polite or formal version. When you greet someone you do not know very well, like a teacher, an older person, or someone in a professional setting, you use Guten Tag. Wie geht es Ihnen? The word Ihnen is formal. It shows respect. Here is a polite conversation. Guten Tag. Wie geht es Ihnen? Mir geht es sehr gut. Und Ihnen? Auch gut. Danke schön. This conversation is respectful and used in offices, stores, or when talking to strangers. Guten Tag means good day. Wie geht es Ihnen? Is the formal how are you? Mir geht es sehr gut means I am very well. Und Ihnen means and you. Remember, it is always safer to start with the formal version, especially if you are not sure. Let us quickly compare. Use dir when speaking with people your own age, friends, or children. Use Ihnen with strangers, teachers, older people, or informal situations. Here is a tip. If someone speaks to you with Sie or says Ihnen, you should do the same. If they use du or dir, you can answer informally. Part 2. Positive and negative replies. How to answer, "How are you?" in German. When someone asks you, "Wie geht es dir?" or "Wie geht es Ihnen?" they want to know how you are feeling. If you are feeling good or well, you can say, "Mir geht es gut," which means I am well, or "Sehr gut, danke," which means very well, thank you. You can also say, "Alles bestens," meaning everything is great. And if you want to sound very happy, say, "Mir geht es super." That means I am doing great. It is polite to add, "Danke," meaning thank you. Sometimes, you may not feel very good or very bad. Maybe your day is just normal. You can say, "Es geht," which means so, or ganz okay, meaning quite okay. Another common phrase is nicht schlecht, which means not bad. These answers are honest but polite. They help keep the conversation friendly. If you feel bad or tired, it is okay to say so. You can say, Mir geht es nicht so gut. That means I am not so well. If you are feeling very bad, say, Mir geht es schlecht. You can also say, Ich bin müde. I am tired. Or, Ich bin krank. I am sick. These answers are honest and can help others understand how you feel. Let us watch a short conversation between two university friends, Anna and Ben. Anna says,
Hallo Ben. Wie geht es dir heute?
This means hello Ben. How are you today? Ben answers,
Hallo Anna. Mir geht es ganz gut, danke. Und dir?
That means I am quite good, thank you. And you? Anna replies,
Mir geht es auch gut, danke. Hast du gestern gut geschlafen?
which means I am also good, thank you. Did you sleep well yesterday? Ben says,
Nicht so gut, ich war ein bisschen müde. Aber heute fühle ich mich besser.
That means not so well, I was a little tired. But today I feel better. Anna responds,
Das freut mich. Wie läuft dein Studium?
which means that makes me happy. How is your study going? Ben answers,
Es läuft gut, aber ich habe viel zu tun. Und du?
meaning, it is going well, but I have a lot to do. And you? Anna says,
Mir geht es super. Ich habe heute eine Präsentation.
that means I am great. I have a presentation today. Ben finishes,
Viel Erfolg dabei. Wir sehen uns später.
which means good luck with that. See you later. This conversation shows how you can greet someone, ask how they are, answer with different feelings, and talk about daily life. Try practicing this dialogue out loud. It will help you sound natural and confident. Part 3. Vocabulary for moods and feelings. Now let us learn some common German words for feelings and moods. These words will help you answer the question, how are you? In a more natural and personal way. Let us go through them one by one. Glücklich means happy. For example, Ich bin glücklich. I am happy. Traurig means sad. You can say, Ich bin traurig. I am sad. Müde means tired. You can say, Ich bin müde. I am tired. Krank means sick. You can say, Ich bin krank. I am sick. Nervös means nervous. Example, Ich bin nervös vor der Prüfung. I am nervous before the exam. Wütend means angry. Aufgeregt means excited. Ruhig means calm. Gelangweilt means bored. Hungrig means hungry. Durstig means thirsty. Try repeating each word. Speak them slowly and clearly while watching this lesson part again. Now let us learn how to use these words in real sentences. In German, instead of just saying, I am happy, people often say, Mir geht es gut. I am doing well. This is the most common way to talk about your mood or health. You can also say, Mir geht es nicht so gut. I am not doing so well. Or, Mir geht es super. I am great. Try these now. Mir geht es schlecht. I feel bad. Mir geht es heute besser. I feel better today. Mir geht es wie immer. I feel the same as always. Let us listen to a short conversation using the mood phrases. The woman says,
Hallo Tom, wie geht es dir?
"Hello Tom, how are you?" The man replies,
Mir geht es nicht so gut. Ich bin ein bisschen müde.
"I am not so well. I am a bit tired." Then she asks,
Oh, hast du gestern schlecht geschlafen?
"Did you sleep badly yesterday?" He says,
Ja, ich war nervös wegen der Prüfung.
"Yes, I was nervous because of the exam." She replies,
Ich verstehe. Aber heute wird es besser, oder?
"I understand. But today will be better, right?" And he answers,
Ich hoffe es. Danke.
"I hope so. Thank you." Now it is your turn. Try answering, "How are you?" with some of these new words. Congratulations! You have just completed another important part of your German learning journey. Now you know how to ask someone "How are you?" in German, both formally and informally. You have learned how to answer in different ways: positive, neutral, and even when you are not feeling great. You can now express your emotions, ask polite follow-up questions, and understand how small talk works in Germany. And you practiced real conversations step by step. This is a big step forward. If you enjoyed this lesson, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We are creating a full series of A1 level videos with grammar, listening, speaking, and real-life practice. In the next video, you will review what you learned through full conversation examples, so you can feel confident speaking German in everyday life. And if you missed the previous videos on verbs, articles, or introductions, check the links in the description below. Danke und bis zum nächsten Mal. See you in the next video.